Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to turn off antivirus protection in Windows 11. Start by clicking on the Start menu or press the Windows key. Then type Windows Security and open the Windows Security app. Next, in the left-hand side menu choose Virus and Threat Protection. In that area, you should see a link labeled Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click it. On the Manage Settings page you will find a toggle switch for real-time protection. Click that toggle to switch it off. You may see a prompt asking for permission. Choose Yes or Allow to confirm. This will temporarily disable real-time scanning. Also, in that same screen you will find toggles for cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission. If you like, you may also switch those off. If you are using a third-party antivirus application instead of Microsoft Defender, you can disable that app as well. Typically, you will find its icon in the system tray at the bottom right corner near the clock. Right-click on that icon and look for options like Disable Protection or Turn Off Shields and select the appropriate option. Next, click the Start menu or press the Windows key, then type gpedit.m as C and open the local group policy editor. On the left panel, go to Computer Configuration, then open Administrative Templates, followed by Windows Components, and then select Microsoft Defender Antivirus. On the right side, find and double-click the policy named Turn Off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. In the window that appears, choose Enabled, then click Apply and OK. That's how you can disable antivirus in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.